Hi, here is company Monax, and today we present you our new two equipments. So, left from me it's B-28 magnetic drilling machine, and here is MR-28. It is specialized tools for drilling holes in metal surfaces. They ideal for construction or machine engineering and other industries. Please notice, D28 has a drilling rotation in both directions and B28 only in one direction. Both equipments have next key features. So, equipped with a magnet for secure attachment to metal surfaces, suitable for vertical or inclined work. Power range allows for dealing of varying complexity and materials. Compatible with various types of drills, including annular cutters and bits. For drilling metal holes from 3 to 13 mm, with a spiral drill or crown steel 35 mm, and magnetic base with a maximum holding force of 17,000 ensures safety and reliability during drilling.